If you're experiencing connection errors while trying to install Minecraft, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by opening a web browser and visiting a few websites to confirm connectivity. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connection issues. Restart your computer or gaming console to refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 3. Update Minecraft Launcher. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Minecraft launcher. Open the launcher and check for any available updates, then install them if necessary. Step 4. Disable firewall or antivirus. Your firewall or antivirus software may be blocking the connection. Temporarily disable these programs and try to install Minecraft again. Remember to re-enable them afterwards for your security. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If the issue persists, uninstall Minecraft completely and then reinstall it. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing the connection error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection errors and enjoy playing Minecraft. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Minecraft support for further assistance.